Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to download an appointment booking receipt in HostSinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostsinger.com, log in to your HostSinger account, and click on websites. Now, next to the online store that you want to download an appointment booking receipt from, click on Manage Store button. Now, to download an appointment booking receipt, go to Orders, then open the appointment that you want to download the receipt for, like this one. And this is the appointment order, as you see, property view and appointment. Now click on More Actions and select Download Receipt. Let's open this receipt, and this is it. As you see, this is the client's details, this is the issue date, order number, the product booked, the amount, and also the total amount. And this is how to download an appointment booking receipt in HostSinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.